Doxing is not blanket illegal in the USA, but it becomes unlawful when it involves threats, harassment, or intent to harm. Federal laws. Federal statutes like 18 U.S.C. Section 119 prohibit doxing certain, covered, individuals, such as government employees, by knowingly disclosing their private info, e.g., address, to threaten or incite violence. This is a felony. The Interstate Communications Statute, 18 U.S.C. Section 875, also criminalizes threats to injure or extort via electronic means, often applying to doxing that intimidates. Peer publication of public info lacks First Amendment protection only if it qualifies as a true threat or incitement. Versus Texas +2 state laws. Several states have explicit anti-doxing laws. Texas bans posting addresses or phone numbers online. Bans posting addresses or phone numbers online with intent to harm, Class B misdemeanor, up to 6 months jail, while Illinois allows civil suits for doxing causing emotional distress or fear, effective 2024. States like California and Colorado criminalize it under harassment or privacy statutes. Penalties escalate with harm, like bodily injury. Disparta Law +2 free speech limits doxing public info, e.g., from voter rolls, is often legal if no malicious intent, but crosses into illegality with harassment or privacy invasion of non-public facts. Victims can pursue civil claims for intentional infliction of distress. Freedom. Civil remedies. Victims can pursue defamation claims if doxing spreads false info damaging reputation, or sue for invasion of privacy and intentional infliction of emotional distress. No province has a specific anti-doxing statute, but courts apply these federal tools case by case. Call it red LLP +1 key thresholds. Purely sharing public info without malice is typically legal, but adding calls to harass or threats crosses into illegality, with penalties like jail time for severe cases. Is doxing legal in Canada? Doxing is not explicitly illegal across Canada under a standalone federal law, but it often violates existing criminal code provisions when it causes harm. It becomes criminal if it qualifies as harassment, threats, or intimidation. Criminal Code Provisions Section 264 covers criminal harassment, applying to doxing via repeated communications or threatening conduct that reasonably causes fear for safety. Prosecution doesn't require proving intent, just the effect on the victim. Section 372(3) targets indecent or obscene repeated communications, including doxing shared online to harass without needing a safety fear element. Sharing non-consensual intimate images, a form of doxing, is explicitly banned under Section 162.1, with penalties up to 5 years imprisonment. ALCA +1 civil remedies.